prescribe something?
For what?
A medicine.
What's the problem?
My heart hurts because it misses you.
I can't with you. Oh my gosh.
I think I'm allergic.
To what?
Being away from you.
Oh my, that's so, I can't. You're ridiculous. I am melting and laughing at the
Well,
same time.
Works every time.
Come here, Charmer.
Try to help me with my wings?
What's wrong with them?
They can't stay still when you're near.
This bird is risky. Oh my gosh, you're unbelievable.
Nurse, can you check my vision?
What happened?
Every time I look at you, everything else disappears.
This is illegal level flirting. Oh my goodness, you are outrageous.
Pretty bird?
Pretty bird and bold, apparently.
No.
Nurse, can you check my heartbeat?
Sure, what's wrong?
It stops for a second every time I see your face.
Aww.
No, because it's shocking.
I think you'll survive, but I'll still listen just to be safe.
Good, I like special treatment. Nurse, can you check my temperature?
Why? Are you feeling sick?
I think I have a fever.
What kind of symptoms?
Whenever you walk in, I get hot. Oh, Lord.
Why are you following me around?
It's called loyalty.
To who?
Can you give me oxygen?
Are you breathless?
Yes. Anytime you smile, I lose air.
This bird is too smooth.
Can you check my heart, nurse?
What happened to you? Is everything all right?
My heart beats very fast when I see you.
Why, are you in love?
In loving you, if it's a disease, then please don't cure me.
Oh my gosh.
Can you check my heart, nurse?
What happened to you? Is everything all right?
My heart beats very fast when I see you.
Are you in love?
In loving you. If a disease, then please don't cure me.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you staring
Why
at
are
me?
you staring at me?
I'm memorizing your face,
For what?
so I can dream accurately tonight.
Why are you sitting so close?
I'm checking something.
Checking what?
Whether love sounds different at this distance.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Officer, I want to report a crime.
What crime?
You stole my heart. Return it! I'm serious, it's evidence.
I'm guilty. You're too much.
Oh, that's good. That's so good.
Case closed, sweetheart.
Copy that.